Good morning everyone. My name is Vidisha Tripathi. I study in class 7C and today I will be showing you my science project where this, as you can see here, this is the idea and the page you can see. The theme of my project is on mental wellness, and this is the website I created. I decided to use online ability for having a nice website, for making something from out of online apps and applications and all the availability we have on online. So this I decided to, why not to create a website on mental wellness. And you can see this is the front cover of my website. I see a lot of people are searching on Google and YouTube or for a video for mental wellness, and a video on mental wellness and also overcoming your fears and problems. So I decided to, why not to create a website, as whenever someone visits to my website they can have some positive feeling, after positive vibe after visiting the whole website. So here is a small tour of my website. As you can see, this is the front cover of my website. This is the front page of my website where I have wrote the name of my website, that is Vidisha's Mental Wellness. Then this is my own self-made logo, you can see, and there a little sign, that is the favicon of my website. And now I'll view the whole website I have created. So this is the front cover where I have wrote the name. Then the next thing is the about page of my website, Vidisha's Mental Wellness, where I wrote that in this website will be sharing a lot of activities and tips for mental wellness and how to overcome your fear. So I planned few of the things so that we can give a small tour and a small we can, whenever someone visits to our website, it can be helpful for the person. The next page is all on the thoughts which are important for our healthy mind. As you can see, I picked very main three important points which are important for a healthy mind, that is be yourself, and a brief detailed information. The next is be satisfied, a brief information here. And next is to stay positive. So all these tips are very important for a healthy brain and mind. And nowadays, for overcoming your fear, these are the most important tips. Next is the thoughts which should be thrown out of our mind, which is not at all compulsory for our mind. First is to have some negativity. If you are negative towards anything, and then if you're feeling that you are worst, or everyone are nowadays feeling that they're the worst in the whole world, so yeah, this should not be treated to yourself. So these things should be thrown out of your mind: anxiety and overconfidence, and sometimes no confidence. So yeah, negativity, thinking you are worst, anxiety and overconfidence, these things should be thrown out of our mind. Next is, I put this YouTube video, I picked this from YouTube and put this over here, the 10 ways of having a for a mental wellness. As you can see, the person who will click over here, the video will start and they will be able to see the video. When I open the sound, they'll be able to even hear it. You can see this is the video. After this, I have put this, if someone wants to even maximize, they can even do full screen and they can hear to it. And this is how they do it. So these are the normal things which a person can do. 10 ways of mental wellness. Next is, this page is all on the morning, the early morning time, which is, as we all know, this is a very nice vibe we have of early morning. Then the next thing is how to wake up early morning. So all these tips and a brief information here. Then always start your day with a thought. So yeah, thought is what is very important nowadays. Next is to have a healthy breakfast. Nowadays no one is eating while they're having some problems and anything, so people are not eating anything and they are getting all the time hungry and getting, you know, unfit and not taking their care of their diet. So yeah, this is a little information about this page, about waking up early morning and having a nice breakfast and also taking care of our diet. Next is to do a proper meditation. A proper meditation is very important nowadays, so yeah, this is a page for that. Then the next is to let's heal our emotions. This page is all about the next activities and tips for the people. These are the activities made tips which we have planned. So here I have made this page of gaining confidence to fight against the fear or pain. You can see this is all on that. Then the next page is on self-care for healthy mind. This is also very important. The next is gaining peace. Gaining peace is also a very important thing for a healthy brain and mind. And also in self-care, nowadays people are eating medicines of sleeping medicines, which are actually causing a lot of, you know, illness, and this will never work. So and you will never get a peaceful sleep. But if the condition is worse, they can eat that, but before having, you know, not by themselves, you should get an advice from a good doctor. But you should never have sleeping medicines. You should always avoid eating them, because you should try having your own peaceful sleep, right? That's why. Next is to gaining peace towards anything, like having doing, and then these are the tips for it: how to gain peace by doing meditation, yoga, positive alone time, which is very important, and staying confident. Next is getting positivity towards everything. So this is very important, as you know, this is a very important part. And then at the last tip for it was that I created my points towards mental illness. I thought that why not to put my points towards mental wellness, why not to add my own points. I believe that which is very much important. So you can see I just pop out the screen, and this is how it will be looking. I'll just show you. Yeah, this is the video which is created by me, and this is the video. So this is the video I have created, and I inserted it right here from my OneDrive. And the next is like this is the very great devotee of God, that is Paramahansa Yoganand ji. And if you look to his face very carefully, why not, I felt like, why, if someone is not able to share to anyone, why not to share a piece of picture which is having a very nice God, a devotee. So this is a very nice miracle, that if you look to his picture, you'll get a little positivity, and you'll be feeling like you're really talking to this person, and you'll feel very nice, and you'll get a positive energy. Next, last, for a nice ending of the website, I put this very nice thought here: he who has overcome his fears will truly be free. So this is one of this thought for a nice and pretty ending. So this is my whole website. I even plan to put GIFs, because this is, I believe that this will make it way more attractive. So I put this, I add these GIFs on the website. This was the viewers page, which you can see from viewers point of view. But then I edited the website from Google Sites, and you can see here is the place where I edited the website, and I made the whole website. I made the whole website with a blank template, and I made the whole website using this Google Sites. So this is a very small tour of my website. I hope you liked it. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.